Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we have this integral to work on. It's the integral of sec 1 minus x times tan 1 minus x dx. Now looking at sec tan, direct use substitution we'll do here as follows. So we have the integral of sec of 1 minus x times tan of 1 minus x dx. So what I was saying is we let u be equal to sec of 1 minus x, and then we differentiate u with respect to x as follows. Du dx is going to be equal to derivative of secant, like I said, is the product of secant and tangent. So this is sec of 1 minus x times tan of 1 minus x. Using chain rule, we're going to say times the derivative with respect to x of 1 minus x. And you'll agree with me that derivative of 1 is 0 because 1 is a constant, but derivative of minus x with respect to x is just minus 1. So we are saying therefore that this implies du dx is equal to sec of 1 minus x tan of 1 minus x times minus 1. Bringing the minus 1 in front and multiplying by, or bringing minus 1 at the back, multiplying by dx both sides, we're going to get du is equal to minus sec of 1 minus x tan of 1 minus x times dx. Nice, but if you look at this part here, there's no minus at the back there. So we multiply the whole of this equation by minus 1, and what do we get? We get minus du is equal to sec of 1 minus x tan of 1 minus x times dx. Nice. If you look at this expression now, is exactly this expression here. So we can have that replaced by minus du. So our integral then changes to the integral of minus du. And if you agree with me, we take the minus out, minus the integral of du, which is just minus u. We have to say plus c because we're dealing with an indefinite integral here. Now let's revert to our original variable. Our original variable, as you can see, the connection between u and x is that u is equal to sec 1 minus x. So I'm going to have to change this to minus sec of 1 minus x, and then we have to say plus c, which is our constant of integration. So this is the final solution to the integral we had in this video. Short but very straightforward. As you can see, that is the integral we've been working on. It's the integral of sec 1 minus x times tan 1 minus x dx. Direct use substitution produces that as a final solution. Tell me what you think about this integral. Was it very straightforward? What other approach would you take to come to this solution? I'm interested to hear your thoughts. All right, I'll see you in the next one.